What's going on, everybody? What's happening, man? I'm at the rideshare assembly, man. I'm about to go in here, man. What happened, I caught a ride out to the airport. Well, I picked up a group that was headed to the airport, so now I was directed to the rideshare assembly. Now I'm gonna go ahead and see how long this wait is. On my app, it says 17 in front of me, but keep in mind, I stay on the XL part of the app, so, and that's on Lyft. I think it was 20 on the Uber, so I'm gonna ride in here and see how full the lot is, and make my decision based on that, because the numbers on the, the projected numbers on the app always wrong and always never seem to go down. To me, I don't know, it might work for y'all, but, and before you know it, an hour be done passed and you still number 12 or something like that. So I'm gonna ride through this lot and see how many big SUVs, how many XL vehicles, and I will base my decision on that. All right, I'm out, y'all. Thanks for watching. Let me go inside and see what's happening. I'm in the Atlanta area, the rideshare assembly. We're gonna see what's popping up in here. All right, let's get started. All right, people, man, I'm out here, but I can't do it. I just can't do it, man. I've been out here 20 minutes and the number only went down twice. Y'all saw from that screensaver, it said 17 in front of me on the XL part. Well, 20 minutes later, down to 15. I can't do it. I can't do it, but man, more power to those that can. There's quite a few people out here, man. Just I ain't gonna be able to hang around. So, but again, I'm not gonna knock the ones that do it, because everybody has their own style of hustling. If this is your style, so be it, baby. Do you? I'm gonna walk around a while, man. It's a nice day today, man. The Super Bowl today too. So I'm gonna head downtown and see what's popping down there, man. Maybe I can get some XL pings down there. But for the most part, the rideshare assembly, I ain't gonna be able to handle it, man. Look at all these cars out here. Now, granted, most of them small, they're not really XL, but still, that number to get a ride is just barely moving, and I can't deal with it, baby. I can't deal with it. So what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna head for the exit, baby. Hey, once again, those that's doing it, keep up the good work. More power to you. I ain't gonna knock you. Quite a few cars out here. Nice sunny day in the A. Super Bowl today. So there's my baby right there. A little dirty, but whatever. You know what I'm saying? Gets the job done. Chrysler, man. Town and country. All day long. So I'm gonna head on up out of here, man. Like I said, I can't handle it. So I'm gonna head for the exit. And thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video.